Hey guys, it's Maura. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a Hyundai Sonata headlight lamp. Hopefully I can do it and show you guys how I did it. First off, you'll need to buy a lamp. For mine, so my car's like a 2005, I think. You need the H7 lamp, and that is for the low beam light. So I went ahead and bought a 2-pack because I had already got the other one changed a few months ago. I should have changed them both at the same time, but I didn't. So I got mine at AutoZone 2-pack for like $28.99. I think one's like $15.99, so it's a little bit better deal. But first off, you'll want to pull your lever down underneath your dash, and that's what opens up your hood. And also a pair of gloves. And I heard you need a screwdriver to kind of get one of the prongs off. So I got that, whatever I just did with it. Oh, got my screwdriver, and I have my little tripod, so hopefully I can hold this to show you guys what I'm doing. So, okay, so here are my tools, I guess you'd say. I got these gloves from work. They were still in my pocket. So we're going to use those because you do not want to get any kind of oils along the glass part of the bulb. I guess it can heat up and cause imbalances and stuff like that. So here's my screwdriver that looks like it's been bitten on. And then this I got for $3.99. I thought was pretty cool at AutoZone, yeah. And it's got a magnet on the back and has this little hook, so you can hook it the inside of your car. So I'm going to use that too. Although I do have the overhead garage lights on now, so hopefully those will help me kind of see in there. Okay, so if you guys couldn't see this little lever in here, that's how you open up your trunk. Hopefully you know that already if you're changing the light, but in case you don't. So you push that up. Oops. What the heck? There. Was being a little trickster. Now you probably want to wait till your car's cooled down a little bit. Mine's been off for a little while. Let's see. The lights don't feel too hot. Okay, so the one I'm going to be changing today is actually the passenger side. My driver's side I got changed not too long ago. But what we're looking at is this cap right here. That'll be on the outside of it. I'm going to see with my new light how it looks, how it lights it up. So I'm going to go get that. Okay, so here's my light. I hung it on the little engine oil. I think that makes it look really good so you can see everything. And also you can see that I need to clean these. I think you can clean them with toothpaste. I think my mom's told me that before. So anyway, first we're going to take off that cap. Okay, so I have my light set up, hanging off there. I actually might move it closer because I definitely tried to change the other one first and realized that was the high beam. So anyway, this one is the one we're looking at down here. So it's right behind the washer fluid, which doesn't make it super easy to get to, but we can do it. So, actually I might move this right here. There. It's pretty good. So we're just going to loosen this up. Maybe that can help. There we go, that worked. Oops. Tore it up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to put this somewhere where we don't lose it. And then we have a look, see at our bulb. So there you can kind of see there's the prongs, there's the screw, and there's the back part of the bulb. So, okay. So, now that I've kind of got it set up so you guys can see, there we go. I'm going to use that screwdriver that I had earlier, and we're going to use that to press this on this here prong, if I can get to it. Then we're going to press down and out. There we go. You can see it popped out. So, move that out of the way. There. And then you'll just need to take this black part off the back of the old bow. Take that off. So I'll have to take my phone out to get to it. Okay, so there we are. I'm going to go in this way, take this bulb out, make sure that little prong's out of the way. Okay, so now we have this bulb out. You want to detach it? You guys can see. You want to detach that from the black part. Oops. Okay, so I finally got the bulb out. If you can see there, here, let me try to focus. Yeah, that's definitely burnt. It's just like coiled all up. So, I did get the wires and everything pulled up here. It was a lot easier to try to pull it out because I kind of had to wiggle it back and forth, but it was really hard when it was still down there, so I tried to stretch it as far as I could. So now I'm going to put on my gloves because my hands are pretty dirty, plus the oils and everything. And then I'm going to attach the bulb back into this black piece, put it back in, attach the clamps back on, and then put the lid back on. Okay, so here's our new bulb. As you can see, the filament's still intact and everything. Okay, so got my bulb. Handling it not by the glass part. I'm going to put that back in here. Okay, so the bulb is in. Now I just have to fit it back through here. Okay. Okay, so I have the bulb most of the way in. I just have to get the lock part, that little claw, completely over it. So this side you can see right there has that little line right there, that wire that's attached. But then the clamp on the other side is not yet. This one right there. Okay, so the light is all the way in. The attachment is over. That little hook claw is underneath that screw. And then this one's down too. So now we're going to reattach the cap. Get that aligned, right? There's 3 little prongs that should fit in a spot. Okay, now that's on good. We're going to start the car and see if it works. It works! Yay! They're dirty. I need to clean them, but at least it works.